Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, Fluent Pro Hug.
Imagine this. You're sitting in a quiet room, and I'm standing in front of you, not as a teacher, but as someone who truly believes in you. Someone who knows that inside every one of you is a spark, a potential waiting to burst into flame. And today, we're going to light that fire together. You know what? It doesn't matter how slow you speak English right now. What matters is that you're here, trying. That already makes you stronger than most, because learning a language isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about courage. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone every single day and saying, I may not be perfect, but I am growing. So take a deep breath. Close your eyes for a second. Feel the air entering your lungs. Feel your heart beating. This is your life, your journey. And from this moment on, every word you learn, every sentence you build, every mistake you make, it all counts. Let's talk about something real. Imagine you're at an airport. You've dreamed of traveling abroad for years. You finally got your visa, packed your bags, arrived at the gate, only to realize you can't understand the announcements. You can't read the signs. And when someone asks you a question, your mind goes blank. How would that feel? But now imagine the same situation, but this time you understand everything. You confidently ask for help. You read the signs. You even strike up a conversation with someone next to you. That feeling, that's freedom. That's power. That's what learning English gives you. Not just a language, but a new level of independence. And it starts today, right now, with you. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a girl once. She came from a small village. Her English wasn't great. In school, she used to get laughed at because she couldn't pronounce words properly. One day, she decided enough was enough. She started listening to English songs, watching English movies with subtitles, speaking to herself in the mirror. Slowly, her confidence grew. She started talking to people online. Then she got a job where English was needed. Today, she speaks fluently, travels the world, teaches others, all because she didn't give up. She chose progress over perfection. That girl could be you, or that boy could be you, or whoever you are. You can be that person who started from zero and built something incredible. Now, let's do something together. Let's close our eyes again. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a second, and exhale slowly. Now open your eyes. Look around. This is your starting point. And no matter where you are, you have everything you need inside you to grow. Let's begin building your English journey, one sentence at a time. Every day, is a new chance to grow. Every morning brings a fresh opportunity to improve. And if you're reading this, it means you're ready to take that step forward. So let's begin. Learning English is not just about passing exams or impressing others. It's about opening doors. Doors to better jobs, to global communication, to understanding different cultures, to expressing yourself clearly, and to seeing the world in a whole new way. Right now, maybe you feel like your English is not good enough. Maybe you hesitate before speaking. Maybe you think, what if I make a mistake? But let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. And every time you make a mistake, you learn. And every time you learn, you grow. Think of English like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Speaking, listening, reading, writing. Each part of the language works together to build your strength. So don't worry if you're slow. Don't compare yourself to others. Just keep moving forward, one step at a time. Let's practice some simple sentences together. Try to say them out loud. My name is Emily. I am learning English. I want to improve my speaking skills. I believe in myself. I will never give up. See? That wasn't hard, was it? These are the building blocks of your English journey. And each time you say them, you're reinforcing your belief in yourself. Now, let's talk about your daily life. Tell me, what did you do yesterday? Think about it. Try to describe your day in English. Even if you don't know all the words, try to form sentences. For example, I woke up early. I had breakfast. I went to work. I talked to my friends. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Please and thank you. Excuse me. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Could you please speak slowly? Where is the bathroom? How much does this cost? These are small but powerful expressions. They help you communicate in real-life situations, and the more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Let me ask you something. Why do you want to learn English? Is it to get a better job? To travel the world? To study abroad? To connect with people? Whatever your reason is, write it down. Keep it somewhere visible. That's your motivation. That's your why. Because when your purpose is clear, your effort becomes meaningful. When you know why you're doing something, you'll find the strength to keep going, even when it gets tough. And yes, there will be tough days. Days when you feel like you're not improving. Days when you forget words. Days when you feel frustrated. But that's okay. Everyone goes through that. The important thing is to not stop. You are not alone on this journey. Millions of people around the world are learning English too. And guess what? Many of them started from where you are now. And today, they can speak fluently. You can too. So keep going. Speak slowly. Read carefully. Write honestly. Listen deeply. Learn patiently. Grow steadily. Remember, a river doesn't become an ocean overnight. It flows every day, drop by drop, until one day it becomes vast and powerful. You are that river.